everybody. Today I'm taking you all the way down to India where they do this onion bhaji. Onion bhaji. Onion bhaji comprises of onions. You just chop your onions, grate a little bit of potato. You can use sweet potato or any potato, which I've just done. Yeah. So now I'm gonna be adding my chopped chili. This is the chili I chop. So I'm gonna be putting my chopped chili, spring onions, and red sweet pepper. Okay, goes in there. So I will put in instead of salt, this is what I'm gonna put. You know what I normally put? My no curry powder. Then I'm gonna put my coriander seed, a little bit of coriander seed. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of turmeric. A little bit of turmeric goes in there. Oh, what's wrong with this turmeric? It's not coming out. Turmeric goes in there. Then pepper flake goes in there. Then my gram masala goes in there. My cumin seed goes in there. Okay, little by little, I just put everything. My gram maize is like a nutmeg. Okay, goes in there. Then my cinnamon powder, a little bit goes in there. All goes in there. And that is my fresh coriander leaf from the kitchen. I'm gonna use my scissors to just cut it. It's clean because I water them every day in the morning. So I'm gonna just chop it with the scissors. Yeah, little by little, chop it up just like that. This onion bhaji is like a snack. You know, when you go to Indian people party or Pakistani party, this is onion bhaji. You will get it as maybe like a first course. You just, you know. So I've put in it's a wheat flour, then a little bit of cornstarch flour to bind them all up before I fry it in a deep oil. Then I will roll it round. I'll put it in a deep oil. Okay, then I'm gonna break in my eggs in there. My eggs will goes in there. 1 egg, you can use 2 eggs depending on the quantity you are doing. This quantity I'm doing is just for only 2 people at home to eat it. So I don't want it too much. I just want to eat it just for 1 day. That is it. I'm done with it. Okay. There are things I like to eat just one off. I eat it one off. That is it. So I will bind all together. Okay, guys, that is the onion bhaji mixture. I've mixed it now, ready to start frying it. Guys, this is the onion bhaji. I'm gonna dip it in a hot oil. It's frying now. Guys, look at my onion bhaji. Look at the onion bhaji. Look how beautiful it is. Look at the onion bhaji. Look, my onion bhaji. Very easy. It's like a snack. You know, when you go to the Indian restaurants, they can give you onion bhaji or some people call it okora, or they give you samosa, you know, for a starter. This can just be a snack where the whole family will just sit down and enjoy it. Guys, that is my onion bhaji. Look at it. Basically just chopped onions, grated potato, put coriander leaf, put all the Indian spices, and fry in a deep oil. Look at my onion bhaji. Look at it. Look at it. Guys, that is my onion bhaji. Look at it. I have never done it before. It's yummy, guys. Look at it. You can see that green chili pepper chopped inside before I start frying it. I've allowed that one to go brown in the hot oil. And that is the yogurt and the fresh coriander on top and the lemon juice if you want. If you want to bite some chili on top. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that onion bhaji. Look at my onion bhaji. Look at that. How beautiful. Very simple to make. And it's yummy. It's a snack for everybody. It's just chop your onions, grate a little bit of potato, put some all the curry powder, flavor in there, And just mix it with a little bit of cornstarch and corn flour, and that is it. And dip it in a hot oil. Onion bhaji, guys, look at the onion bhaji. My onion bhaji is ready. It's ready. Look at it. Look at the onion bhaji. Look. With the yogurt to eat with it. This is what I use, just onions and potato. That is it. Match all together. Put all the Indian spices. Cinnamon, cumin, masala powder. You know. And just mix with a little bit of flour, cornstarch flour, and fry. Onion bhaji is ready. It's my onion bhaji, guys. Look at the onion bhaji. You can serve it with yogurt. Serve it with this yogurt. Now leave some lime there if you want to squeeze some lime there. You serve it with some lime if you want. So I'm gonna start eating my onion bhaji. Just dip it in the yogurt. It's lovely with yogurt. I just squeeze some lime inside the yogurt, some lemon. Okay. This is crunchy. This is yummy. It's like you're eating yam ball. You know, as you do yam ball, that is how this is taste. If you don't want to eat yogurt with it, you can make pepper sauce and eat with it. This is yummy. Onion bhaji is simple to make. Handy. Ingredients you can find in your kitchen. Onions, potato, that is it. Guys, that is my onion bhaji. Look at it. I have never done it before. It's yummy, guys. Look at it. You can see that green chili pepper I chopped inside before I start frying it. I've allowed that one to go brown in the hot oil. And that is the yogurt and the fresh coriander on top and the lemon juice if you want. If you want to bite some chili on top. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that onion bhaji. Look at my onion bhaji. Look at that. How beautiful. Very simple to make. And it's yummy. It's a snack for everybody. It's just chop your onions, grate a little bit of potato, put some all the curry powder, flavor in there, and just mix it with a little bit of cornstarch and corn flour, and that is it. And dip it in a hot oil.